Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I go by the name Joe, and this what I know tech YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm taking you guys through on how to send an email to your instructor or to a student pair or to a tutor on the Sakai portal. So first log on to sakai.ug.edu.gh and sign in with your user ID and password. So click on login. So at the top side we have the courses that you've been registered to, and today we'll be using the UGBS 105 course as our example. So I'll just click on UGBS, then I scroll down to, on my left I scroll down to email, then I'll be presented with this. So this is just like a normal email format. So you have the form, that will be your name, that's automatically. Then two, you have the rows, you have the session, you have the groups. Okay, so you click on rows. You would have this drop down appearing. You have the instructor, you have the student, you have the tutors, and you have the teaching assistant as well. So the person or the individual you want to direct your mail to, you just have to click on the name. So we'll be using a student for example. So you click on the student. So let's choose Aban Justice as an example. So I just check the box close to Aban's name, then scroll down. Sorry about the long list because these are students, so eventually the names will be many. So pardon me on that. So on the subject, you type in the subject of your mail, and here is your body. Okay, so you type in what message that you have to send to the individual or the recipient on the Sakai portal. Okay, and down when you scroll a bit down, you would see send me a copy, and this option would send me a copy to your UG Gmail account, just for reference sake. Okay, so in case you want to have a copy of the message or the mail you sent to the individual, just check this, then just click on send. I wouldn't send that because I don't know Aban, so I wouldn't send that. So just click on send and it should be done. So thank you once again for watching my YouTube channel, and thank you. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Bye.